Let's make a champagne cocktail, a sophisticated sipper made famous by the 1942 movie Casablanca. Step 1, grab a champagne flute. Into that we're going to add 1 sugar cube. This is going to stick to the bottom of the glass. It's going to create this force, this drive of bubbles upwards, lifting the aroma. So to help that stick, to add a bit more depth to the cocktail, we're going to use 2 ingredients. Number 1 is cognac. I'm going to add that directly on top of the sugar cube, just a splash, 10 milliliters. I use a little pipette bottle, so I can easily add that, but you can just eye it, just a little splash. We just want to saturate that sugar cube. The second ingredient for that sugar cube, it's Angostura bitters, the bartender's sauce. There we go. And we're going to add 3 dashes of Angostura bitters on top of that sugar cube. Finally, we're just going to top that the rest of the way with champagne, prosecco, cava, whatever sparkling wine you've got. It's going to bounce off that sugar cube. It's going to lift this force of bubbles. It's like magic. And this point is where I realised my champagne flat. So let's try this again. Let's remake the whole cocktail. Sugar cube, bitters, cognac. Now I don't actually have any more sparkling wine, but what I do have is this can of non-alcoholic sparkling wine. So let's give it a go just so I can show you how it's meant to look. Here we go, we top it up and you get a mad amount of bubbles. If you look at that sugar cube, you can see the sugar cube stays in place and all the bubbles just kind of bounce off it, and that's how it's meant to be. It's meant to be quite dry and it's meant to have all these aromas just lifting up. If you want it a bit sweeter, you can stir that sugar into the cocktail like so, but the magic really is with just the bubbles lifting up. Look at it, beautiful thing. Let's have a taste of this, shall we? Okay, taste it. Ooh, chef's kiss, delicious, that'll do.